Did you know there is a setting on your phone that can stop any number that isn't in your contact list from calling you? This can help you keep your privacy and stop any unknown person from calling you. This setting is called silence unknown calls, and not everyone knows about it. When someone is calling you, everything looks normal to them, but for you, you won't get any notification, you won't know about it until their call ends. When it ends, you will get the notification. For example, you will get the missed call notification, and that's about it. So, how to enable this option? You need to open your settings application, scroll down till the end, and open apps option. Now search for phone application, click on it, scroll down, and here it is. So basically you have two options you can select. One is silence unknown callers and filter unknown callers. Basically, silence unknown callers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and display on the recent list. For unknown callers, missed calls will be moved to unknown callers list. To keep your privacy as safe as possible, or if you don't want to get disturbed, I recommend you enabling both of these options. Or if you just want one, I recommend you enabling unknown callers because you won't get notified about it, you won't be bothered with unknown calls, and that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.